What's going on, y'all? Showing up Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge. We have the following equation: square root of 4x plus 16 plus 3 equals x plus 8. And we're asked to find a solution or solutions to this equation. What is x? Okay. All right, so let's rewrite it first of all. 4x plus 16 plus 3 equals x plus 8. Okay. Now, we got x on both sides of this equation. Now, we're going to need to move all the x's to one side of the equation so that we can solve for x. So let's do that. So first we'll move what we can. So square root of 4x plus 16 equals x plus 5. To undo the square root, we need to square, and then whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Now, if you look under here, we could factor out a 4, but you'll probably see by the end of this problem that it's not necessarily helpful. It probably adds a slight bit of work. So do what you want to do, but I'm just going to leave it in there. So 4x plus 16, that square undid the square root equals. Now let's expand this x plus 5 squared. So that becomes x squared plus 5x plus, so that's plus 10x plus 25. Now we're going to move all this stuff to the other side because we have like a quadratic looking thing here, which means we can find, if we have 0 on this side, we can find the roots of the quadratic. So we'll do that, at least try to. Let's move 16 over here, move 4x over here. So 0 equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? Now, this is easily factorable, so this ends up being 0 equals x plus 3 squared. Since x plus 3, let me just write it like this out so I'm not confusing. X plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay. So the solution is just one solution. X equals -3. Okay. Let me know if you got that answer. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.